This conference will now be recorded.
Today we are discussing about self-join and outer joins. In the last video, we have discussed about what is cross-join, display all possible combinations, valid and invalid combinations. What is equijoin? Display only matched data, means only valid combinations. So equijoin means cross-join query with join condition. What is join condition? A condition specified on common column, that is called as join condition. Inner join, it is similar to equijoin. Inner join also display only matched data, but the query syntax is different. In between table names, we must write inner join keyword, and join conditions we should write under on clause. Next point, natural join. It is also displaying only matched data, but natural join applicable on only two tables, and there should be only one common column. In case of natural join, the common column name should be same. Non-equijoin, display unmatched data or display only invalid combinations. So we will never use non-equijoin. These points we discussed in the last session. Today, what is self-join? See, try to give the answer, guys. Here I am writing one requirement. Try to give the answer. Set line size 200. Get employee Smith details. How to get this? Get employee Smith details. How to display? Select start
from employee where employee e-name is equal to Smith.
Very good. Where e-name is equal to Smith. Okay, fine. My next requirement is get employee details who is working like Smith. What is the query?
Select start from EMP where e-name like in between that quotations Smith yes Smith percentage.
Wrong, madam.
Sorry.
Remaining people, any answer? Madam, see, your query is giving same data, but what I am expecting, get employee details who is working like Smith. Working like Smith means Smith is working as clerk.
Okay, manager, sir. Select start from EMP where manager.
No.
Then where job is equal to clerk.
Somebody is saying where job is equal to clerk.
Yes.
See, this answer is right, but in the real time, this is not right. First, you are finding Smith details. So you know what is the job of Smith. Now you are writing this query. In our table, we have only 14 records. In the real time, suppose if the table has 14 million records, 14 million records, then to know the Smith job, you are executing this query. First, you have to know the Smith job. To know the Smith job, at least you have to wait 3 to 4 hours in the real time. For one query execution, it will take that much time. Okay, so this is also not right. Of course, it will give the correct answer, but in the real time, first finding Smith details, based on Smith details, writing this query, this is wrong. This is wrong. What has happened? Select star from EMP. Okay, where job is equal to black. Okay. Okay. So here, to get this answer, you are executing two queries. This is one query and this is another query. Within single query, I want to get the same output. Let us see. I will explain. So what is your requirement? Get employee details who is working like Smith. This is your requirement. So what I have to do? You are selecting data from single table. You are selecting data from single table, but within single query, by using single query, you are unable to select your data. By using single query, you are unable to select your data. That is your problem. In that case, understand carefully, guys. From how many tables you are selecting data? Get employee details working like Smith. From how many tables you are selecting data? One table only. Now see, I am explaining this. Hold a moment. Let me align this. It's very simple once you follow the process. Otherwise, it is difficult. Actually, you are selecting data from single table. So generally, we will write simple query. But by using simple query, you are unable to select your data. So what we have to do? We should consider two alias names for the same table. I am selecting data from EMP. Consider two alias names for the same table. This is one alias name, another alias name. So name the first alias is E1 and name the second alias is E2. First alias E1, second alias is E2. So E1 is one table, E2 is another table. First, in your requirement, identify Smith. In the first alias table, identify Smith. So here there is a matched data. This is matched here. Okay, what is the condition for that? Where E1 dot ename is equal to Smith. E1 dot ename is equal to Smith. Okay, from the matched record, from the same alias table, from the matched record, take the job E1 dot job equal to E1 dot job is equal to, compare E1 job value with all jobs in the E2 dot job. Compare E1 job value with all jobs under E2. So here I am comparing. Just take the job value. What is the job value? Clerk. Compare this with this. See, each and every value should be compared. Each and every value should be compared. I will give you the final answer. No need to worry. See, and here, compare each and every value here. Actually, this is called as mapping. Mapping. One value mapping with all values in the second table. One value mapping with all values in the second table. Okay, comparison completed. Where it was matched, here matched, here matched, and here matched, and finally here matched. So how many records matched in the second alias table? 4 records. What is your requirement? What is your requirement? Get employee details. Who is working like Smith? Who is working like Smith? Here, 4 records matched under E2. 4 records matched under E2. So if I select data from E2, select E2 dot star from EMP E1, EMP E2. This is your query. I am selecting data from E2. Under E2, how many records matched? 4 records. So I will select, see the matched records selected from E2. So this is one record, and here these are the records selected. So is it your right answer or not? Yes, this is your required data. What is your data? You are expecting get employee details working like Smith. Smith is working as clerk. So you are getting all clerk data with a single query. This is known as self-join. So why it is known as self-join? Actually, you are selecting data from single table. You are selecting data from single table. For the single table, you are taking 2 alias names. Based on alias names, you are writing a join condition. Both alias names are referring same table. So this is known as a self-join. So writing a join condition based on single table. Writing a join condition based on a single table. That's why it is known as self-join. Don't miss it. Okay. Hope you understand. So what is self-join? A table which is joined itself. A table which is joined itself. Exact meaning is writing a join condition based on single table. So generally we are unable to write, but consider 2 alias names for the single table. Based on 2 alias names, write your join condition. Syntax is like this: select second alias table. Always you have matched data in the second alias table. You have matched data under second alias table. So select data from second alias table from table 1 alias 1. Same table alias 2. Alias 1 dot column name equal to input value and alias 1 dot common column equal to alias 2 dot common column. This is self join. Let me write the query. What is the requirement? Get employee details who is working like Smith. Select E2 dot star from EMP E1, EMP E2, where E1 dot E name is equal to Smith and E1 dot job is equal to E2 dot job. Let me go for next example. Get employee details from a department where Martin is working. Get employee details from a department where Martin is working. See, select E2 dot star from EMP E1 and EMP E2, where E1 dot E name is equal to Martin. Martin is working under a department. If Martin is there, take the department number from the matched record. That department number should be comparing with, this department number should be comparing with all department numbers under E2. Martin is working under 30. See, so from the department number 30, you are getting all employee details. This is known as self-join. And for you, let me go for one more example. To get that example, I need one more table. The table name is customer details. Yes. Let me create the table. Completed. Select star from customer details. This is the data. What is my requirement is display customer details from a city where Vinod is living. Display customer details from a city where Vinod is living. So according to our table, Vinod is living in Delhi. So from the city Delhi, I need all customer details. Select C2 dot star from customer details C1. Again customer details C2, where C1 dot C name is equal to Vinod. If Vinod is there, take his city, that is compared with all cities in the second alias table. So Vinod is living in Delhi. That's why we are getting all customers from the city Delhi. This is known as self-join. Next, what are the outer joins? What are the outer joins? It's a different type of join. Listen carefully. So before that, I need a separate table. For the explanation of outer joins, I want to create a separate table. Listen carefully. Set page size 100. Select star from EMP. How many employees are there? 14. Every employee working under some department. Each employee working under any one department. Okay. Based on this table, I want to create another table. Create table EMPCP as select star from EMP. Created. Modify the table EMPCP. Update EMPCP. Set department number equal to null, where department number equal to 30. Nothing. Under EMPCP table, I am deleting department number 30. If there is a department number 30, at that place I am applying null. Means department number 30 will be deleted. Commit. Select star from EMPCP. See here, guys. Under EMPCP, some people are working under some departments, and some people not working under any department. Say, he is not working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 14 employees. Total 14. But out of 14, 8 employees working under some department, 6 employees not working under any department. Remember this. Actually, how many departments are there? Select star from DEPD. Actually, 4 departments. If you consider this table and this table, under 10th department, 3 employees are there. Under 10th, 3 employees working. Under 20, 5 employees working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under 20. Under 30, no employees. Under 40, no employees. Remember this. According to these two tables, I will explain outer joins. What is outer join? It will display all data from one table, all records from one table, and only matched records from another table. All records from one table and only matched records from other table. See, remember about equijoin. If you apply equijoin, you will get matched records from both tables. You will get matched records from both tables. That is equijoin. But here what is happening? All records from one table only matched records from another table. That is the nature of outer join. And in case of outer join query, in between tables, in between table names, we should write outer join type. In between table names, we should write outer join type. And join conditions we will write under on class. Join conditions we will write under on class. Same as inner join type. In between table names, write the outer join type. And conditions we have to write under on class. What is the nature of outer join? Display all records from one table and only matched records from another table. Outer joins are 3 types: left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. What is left outer join? From the left table, it will display all records from the left table. And from the right table, it will display only matched records. Left outer join by default display all data from left table. Next, right outer join. Right outer join by default display all data from right table. Display all data from right table and only matched data from left table. Full outer join. So later I will explain. First remember these two. Left outer join, right outer join. Left outer join means from the left table it will display all records. From the right table it will display only matched records. Right outer join. Right outer join display all records from right table. Only matched records from left table. So this is the syntax. Select your data from table. Table 1, table 2. In between table names, you should write any one outer join type. Maybe left outer join or right outer join or full outer join. See here guys, left outer join or left join, both are valid. Right outer join or right join, full outer join or full join. Okay, in between table names, we must write any one join type. And join conditions you should write under on class. Join conditions you have to write under on class. Let me show you here guys. So this is the data. Remember, what is the table name? EMPCP. What is this table name? DEPT. First, I am explaining about inner join. Inner join. Display all employee details along with their department details. Select star from EMPCPE inner join DEPTT on E dot department number equal to D dot department number. So here you are getting only 8 combinations. Why? Because only 8 employees are having matched value. Common column value only for 8 employees. Common column value existed for only 8 employees here. That's why you are getting only 8 matched records. See, from the employee table, you are having 8 employees. And from the department table, only you have 2 department details. Under 10, some employees are there, so it is matched department. Under 20, some employees are there, matched department. But under 30, no employee. Under 40, no employee. So, unmatched data. This is unmatched data. Remember, inner join or equi-join never display unmatched record from any table. Now, check my next requirement. Display all employee details And also, if any employee working under any department, then display his department details also. Here I am asking about employee along with the department. But here, first I need employee data. All employee records I need. In case employee working under any department, then I need department details also. Select star from same query. It's very easy. EMPCPE left outer join DEPT D on E dot department number equal to D dot department number. See, left outer join display all the data, all records from left table. For this keyword, left table is this, right table is this. From the left table, it will display all records. From the right table, it will display only matched records. Check here. So what is the left table here? This is your left table. This is your left table. From the left table, it is displaying matched records and unmatched records also. These are unmatched records. So from the left table, it is displaying all records. From the right side table, it will display only matched records. Only 10 and 20 are printing here. 30, 40 not printing. Let me change the requirement now. Get all department details. And also, if any department has any employee, then display that employee details also. I need all department records. Same query. At the place of left outer join, use right outer join. Right outer join means from the right side table, it will display all records. And from the left table, it will display only matched data. File menu, save. File menu, exit, slash. If you observe carefully, this is the right side table. From the right side table, you have matched records. This is matched records. And also you have unmatched records. But from the left side table, only you are getting 8 employee records. Since only 8 employees are having matched value, that's why. So all records from right side table, only matched records from left side table. This is right outer join. What is full outer join? What is full outer join? Display all employee details and all department details. If any employee working under any department, then display the combination. Generally, don't say like display the combination, display corresponding information. This is the right requirement. So first, whenever you have a requirement, immediately you have it out. Sir, by seeing the requirement, how to identify which join we will apply. See, in this requirement, they are expecting data from two tables. From the first table, all the data. From the second table, all the data and corresponding information. Then all the data from two tables means blindly go for full outer join. Same query at the place of right outer join, just I am using full outer join. Save it, exit and run it. Full outer join display. Matched data from both tables. Full outer join display. Matched data from both tables. These are the matched records. Yellow color lines are matched data. Next. Unmatched data. Unmatched records from left table. Unmatched records from left table. And unmatched records from right table also. Matched data from two tables. Unmatched data from left table and unmatched data from right table. So anyway, all records from two tables. Finally, you are getting all records from two tables. In the real time, there is one in the interview, there is one interview question like what is the difference? What is the difference between full outer join and cross join? Between full outer join and cross join, what is the difference? Cross join display invalid combinations. Cross join is also displaying invalid combinations, but full outer join never display invalid combination. See, if there is, suppose this is the record, actually it don't have matched value. If it don't have matched value, it will not display any combination here. It's blank, combination is blank. Okay, full outer join never display invalid combinations, but cross join will display invalid combinations. That is the difference between cross join and full outer join. This is about joins. And one more point, guys. Today I will send one diagram. I will send one diagram to your mail IDs. Go through with that diagram. Go through with that diagram. Why? Because based on that diagram, I will explain next concept. Next concept in the sense, what is that? Srinivas, you are unable to access the videos. I will send one diagram, guys, later. Later means after the class. So in that diagram, hold up, let me check. No. Name tag. Based on that diagram, I want to explain joins concept based on more than one table, more than two tables. That is what I want to send to you. Carefully observe that. And no, like this bank example, like this. This is the diagram. Let me open. You will understand. Study this diagram carefully. Tomorrow I will explain join related queries, join query examples on these three tables. Customer is one table, account types is another table, customer account details is another table. Observe this diagram carefully, study this diagram. I will send this diagram to your mails. Then tomorrow, in tomorrow's class, I will explain join query examples related to these three tables. Equi-join, inner join, outer joins. All types of joins I will explain. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you all of you. See you tomorrow. Srinivas, already you have access on the videos. If you don't have access on videos, drop a mail. I will verify. And somebody in the last class, somebody requested, sir, will you provide download option for the video? So I will upload the join videos into my YouTube channel tomorrow. And I will provide my YouTube channel video link in our class. That's all for today. See, don't expect all videos in the YouTube channel. Only important videos, only difficult videos I will upload into the YouTube channel. So lifetime you can access, you can watch the videos, no problem. That's all for today. Thank you all of you. See you tomorrow.